Hi, good morning everyone. This is Saurabh here. I am going to discuss the UGC NET topics. There is one topic is there that is a square of operations. That is a very important topic regarding UGC NET, and we will discuss some PYQ question related to that. Okay. So fine. I am going to make the heading here a square of opposition. In a square proposition, there is a two sentences there. That is a UP. First of all, this is called universal positive. Universal positive. I can take the one sentence if the word is related to like all. Okay. So that indicate that universal positive sentence. Like if I am saying you all mango are apple. So we can construct in a diagram that is a mango is there and all mangoes are apple. So this is the type of universal positive. And in a square opposition, we will take the terminology as a. Second, it's a universal negative. Universal negative means universal negative. Universal negative means if the word is there no or no one is there, so that type of is called here universal negative. So if I am saying a no mango are apple. So if you construct the diagram here, mango is there and this is the apple is there. So there is no relation between the mango and apple. So this is called universal negative sentence. And this one is indicated by P. Okay. Next is PP. PP is called here particular positive. Particular positive means if the word is there, if it is sum is there, sum of the person, or if it is given few, that type of sentence is called here particular positive. So if it is given some mango, go, are, apple, some mango are apple. Means we can say that this is the mango is there and this is the apple diagram is there. So this is the portion which indicate that some mango are apple. And this is indicated by I. And the fourth one, it's a PN. The PN is here, particular negative. Particular negative means if the word is there like here, some not, that is called here particular negative. Some not means if I am saying that example, like some mango are not apple. So that is your here particular negative, and particular negative is indicated by. So this all the sentence I am going to arrange it in the square of positions. So all of you see that here it is A, E, I, and O. This is the UP, UN, PP, and PL. Now I am going to make it a square regarding that. See, in that there is a four type of statement is there. These two are called contradictory statement. Contradictory statement. Contradictory means one sentence, if it is a false is there, you have to search another sentence that should be true. So contradictory. Contradictory means it should be related with A and O or I and E. So one sentence, if it is a false is there, another sentence must be true. True you have to search it. Or if it is given, if one sentence is a true, another sentence must be false. Another one. So it means just opposite. It means it is just opposite sentence. You have to find it out. That is called contradictory. Second one is called here contrary. Contrary. Contrary means this relation between A and I is called contrary. Contrary. Relation between A and E. Contrary means you keep in the mind both sentences can be false together, but both the sentence can't be true at a time. Both sentences can be false together, but they can't be true. That is a contradiction. Now the relation between I and O, it is called sub-contradiction. Sub-contradiction. So sub-contradiction means it's just opposite sub-contradiction. Relation between I and O means both sentences can be true, but both can't be false. Can't be false together. That is the relation between I and O. Means I example, I can say that I, it is a some mango or apple. Another sentence it is saying that some mango are not apple. So I can say that both the sentence it is a true, but we cannot say that both of them is a false together, because if you draw that Venn diagram, this is the mango is there, this is the apple is there. So here it is both the possibilities there. Yani some mango are apple and some mango are not apple, means this part. So that is a true is possible, but it cannot be false together. So that is called here third one, that is called sub-contradiction. Now the fourth one, if it is given, fourth one is called here subaltern. Fourth one is subaltern. Subaltern means it's a this side. This is called subaltern. Means if you are going a downward, so downward is a true, and if you are going upward, so this is the false. And this type of sentence is called as subaltern. Okay. So downward means if you are going from A to I, that is possible. Subaltern means A to I, it is possible. A to I. So if you are going downward, so downward means it's a true. And how it is a true? So A means if you are saying that some, A means all. A means all. If I am saying that all mango are apple, so can we say that some mango are apple? Yes, it is possible, sir. Because if all mango are apple is there, okay. So it means I can say that some apples are mango and some mangoes are also apple. Is this person? So it's a true sentence there. If you are going from now. And similarly, if it is a subaltern, if you are going from A to I, next here you can see that the diagram O to E. So O to E, if you are going from O to E, so this is called false. False means if you are going upward. So O means we can say that some mango are not apple. So can we say that no mango are apple? No, it is not like that. If some mango are not apple, it doesn't mean that no mango are apple. So this is the false statement. This is the false statement. Now I will show you that some question regarding that they have asked in PYQ. You can see that this question. Now it is given that here I have solved that this one. This is the UGC NET 2023. As per the square of the question, if the sentence some birds are apps, okay, is given as false, and then which of the following statement is true? You need to find out just opposite. Means if it is a false is given and the false opposite is true, and opposite sentence means what? It's a contradictory. It's a contradictory. And contradictory means the sum is indicated as E, and if you make the square diagram, this is called A, E, I, O. So these two are mean diagram. The E contradictory is I is there. So I means it's a, to see A, E, I, O. To see some words are apps is given that. Some words. So this is the I is the sentence it is given. This is the I. Some birds are apps. That is your particular positive. The particular positive opposite is what? That is a E. E. So E is what? It's a no birds are apps. We can say that no birds are apps because E opposite is I. If in the question it is given that all birds are apps. So all birds are apps means that is a all means this is the UP. So UP opposite is what? PN. So PN means I'll say that some birds are not apps. Not apps. So these two are sentences called contradictory. So I contradict is which sentence? It's a E is there. I contradict is E. So E means it's a universal negative. Universal negative means no birds are apps. That is your option number C is right answer. Okay. Similarly, you can see that here. Next question I will take it here. Like you can see that this question. It is given that which of the following statements are so related that they cannot be true, but they can be false. They cannot be true, but they can be false. You search that sentence, which is it a contrary or sub-contrary? So if you go to that here, sentence, they cannot be true, but they can be false. So it is here, see, sub-contrary means both sentences can be true, but both cannot be false together. It's saying that not be true. Not be true means obviously it is a contrary. Because can't be true means this one, but they can be false. It means it is a contrary. Contrary means A and E relation. Contrary means A and E relation. Okay. So you just find out the A is a universal positive and E is your universal negative is there. Universal negative. So if you check it here, so it means it's a contrary sentence there. Contrary. And contrary means A and E. So A is a universal positive and E is a universal negative. So search the two sentences that should be universal positive and universal negative. So obviously the option number A and option number B. Yani A and B is the right answer. So you will get an option here like whether the option A and B is true. Yeah, only B. Yeah, it is given that only C. Okay. And fourth, it is given that none of this. None of this. You have to mention that A and B. Means all trees have a roots, no tree have a roots. This is called contrary. Okay. Similarly, I will discuss the one more question. Just a minute. This is the all is the PYQ question regarding that. UGC NET. Now you see that this question. Question number 26. This is all the UGC NET question that 2023. If the statement is given that no animals are fishes and that is a false, it is given that this statement is false, then which of the following statement is inferred to be true? Any false opposite is what? The false opposite is true. It means which type of sentence it is asking? So obviously it's a contradictory. Contradictory. So contradictory means no animals is the fishes is there. So no animals is the fishes means this is the UN. And UN opposite is what? The UN is indicated by E and E opposite is, here I can say that it's a I. I means PP. Like you just get the diagram here. This is called AEIO. So this is the UN sentence in that. The UN opposite is what? PP. You need to search it the particular positive. The particular positive means I can say